In a charming little village nestled between rolling hills, there lived two friends named Lily and Rose. They both had a passion for gardening and spent countless hours tending to their beautiful gardens. Each had a unique approach to gardening, and their gardens reflected their personalities. Lily was known for her meticulous planning and organization. She believed that the key to a perfect garden was careful planning, precise planting, and strict schedules. She measured every inch of her garden, kept detailed journals, and followed gardening guides to the letter. Her garden was indeed well-ordered and full of vibrant, healthy plants. Rose, on the other hand, was carefree and spontaneous. She believed that a garden should be a place of joy and surprise. She planted seeds wherever the mood struck her, watered when she felt like it, and let the garden grow in its own natural way. Her garden was a wild burst of colors, and it seemed to have a life of its own. One sunny morning, Lily looked over the fence that separated their gardens and remarked, "Rose, your garden is so messy and disorganized. How do you expect anything to grow properly?" Rose simply smiled and replied, "Lily, your garden is lovely, but it feels so rigid and controlled. Sometimes, you need to let nature take its course." As the seasons passed, their gardens thrived in their own ways. Lily's garden was neat and precise, with rows of perfectly blooming flowers. Rose's garden was a riot of colors, with wildflowers dancing in the breeze. One summer day, a group of children from the village came to visit the gardens. They played and laughed in Rose's garden, picking wildflowers and chasing butterflies. In Lily's garden, they were cautious, afraid to disturb the orderly rows of plants. Over time, the villagers noticed something remarkable. While Lily's garden was undoubtedly beautiful, it lacked the cheerful laughter and spontaneity that filled Rose's garden. People began to visit Rose's garden more often, finding solace and joy among the wildflowers. One evening, as Lily and Rose sat together by their gardens, they realized the lesson they had learned. Lily spoke first, saying, "Rose, you were right. A garden is not just about perfection, it's about the happiness and memories it creates." Rose nodded and added, "And Lily, your dedication to planning and hard work is admirable. Both our gardens have their unique beauty." The moral of the story is, balance is the key to a fulfilling life. While planning and organization are important, it's equally essential to embrace spontaneity and joy. Sometimes, the most beautiful moments arise when we let go of rigid control and allow life to unfold naturally. From that day on, Lily and Rose worked together to create a garden that combined the best of both their approaches. Their garden became a place of order and spontaneity, a perfect balance that brought happiness to all who visited. And the villagers learned that life, like a garden, is most beautiful when it embraces both structure and spontaneity.